For some of our bad habits, beautiful teeth are ugly. Starting from bleeding gums, darkening of teeth, etc. In addition, betel nut or smoke is responsible for creating black spots on the teeth. Today I will show you teeth whitening at home. Fast. Take 1 tablespoon onion juice in a bowl. Onions contain antibacterial and antimicrobial properties that help prevent diseases, not just in the body but in the mouth as well. Eating raw onions can strengthen the teeth and kill off harmful bacteria in the mouth. Add 2 tablespoons lemon juice. Yet another great fruit that works also as a great teeth whitener is lemon. Lemons contain a high acid level in the peel, which is a great whitener or even bleaching agent. Add a little salt. Salt water rinses are also recommended to help reduce the discomfort of a toothache at home. In this same way, a salt toothpaste can help disinfect the mouth and reduce inflammation in the gums. Additionally, salt can stimulate the production of saliva, which promotes strong enamel and helps remineralize teeth. 1 tablespoon toothpaste. According to the American Dental Association, ADA, toothpaste is important to oral health because it helps to remove plaque and its bacterial buildup on teeth and fights off periodontal disease. Most toothpaste also contains fluoride, which bolsters tooth enamel and fights tooth decay. Mix well. Now it's ready. You can use it every day. Once a day brush your teeth for 2 or 3 minutes. If you continue each day, you would have beauty teeth. You can use it for a week. Thanks for watching this video. If you want to get more solution, please subscribe our channel.